Now, proportions are of two types. I think you all are aware about it, which is nothing but direct proportion and indirect proportion. First, let us know about what is a direct proportion. Anyone in the class here can please tell me what is a direct proportion?
Ramya?
Ronak, yeah, please go ahead and explain what is a direct proportion, beta.
Yes, sir. So in direct proportion, if one value increases, second value also increases with the same base. Like.
Then what about decrease?
Sir, decrease will happen in indirect proportion.
What did you say? Kavya, you just wait. Yeah, Ronak.
Sir, decrease will happen in only inverse proportion.
No. If there is a decrease in one quantity, then there must be a simultaneous decrease in the other quantity. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If a quantity increases and other quantity also increases, then these two quantities are said to be in direct proportion. In the same way, if one quantity decreases, the other quantity will also decrease. Then these two quantities are also in direct proportion. That means what? Two quantities are said to be in direct proportion if there is an increase or decrease in one quantity, then there will be a simultaneous increase or decrease in the other quantity. Then the two quantities are said to be in direct proportion. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let's move on to learn something about direct proportion, and then we will move to indirect proportion. Here is on the screen the direct proportion. Two quantities X and Y are said to be in direct proportion if they increase or decrease together. That means what? When one quantity, when X increases, Y also increases. When X decreases, Y also decreases. Then X and Y are said to be in direct proportion, not indirect proportion, in direct proportion. In other words, we say that X is proportional to Y, and we write it as X is equal to K into Y. And what is K here? Proportional to constant. Okay, write down, Nana. Everybody write down. Types of proportions. Types of proportions. Number one, direct proportion. Number two, indirect proportion. First one is direct proportion and the second one is indirect proportion. Now let us go ahead and write direct proportion. Direct proportion. Two quantities X and Y are said to be in direct proportion if there is an increase or a decrease in one quantity, then there will be a simultaneous increase or decrease in the other quantity. Okay. X is proportional to Y, which implies X is equal to KY, where K is proportionality constant, and the value of K we will obtain by X upon Y. Basically, you have to note down these 2 points. This is just a definition. Just you can write X is directly proportional to Y implies X is equal to KY, where K is the proportionality constant and the value of K is equal to X upon Y. I hope it's clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Fine. I'm erasing the board. Now let's move on to do some few questions involving this direct proportion.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Ronak.
So the value of constant changes question to question.
Yeah, of course, it depends upon the quantities. Na, it is not. This is a constant in the sense, in that particular problem, the value of k will be constant. The constant will not be same from one question to the other question. Depends upon the quantities. Na,